My name is Kranti Kumar, alumni of Balayesu English Medium High School, Devrupla, Jangam district. My project name is Raitu Bandhu, the organic farming machine, future of agriculture. My mother is a farmer. She faced difficulty in getting agriculture labor. At the same time, the wages are also too high to offer. To overcome this problem and to help my mother, I have designed this agriculture farming machine. The main facilities of this machine are weeder and intercultivator, biofertilizer sprayer, biopesticide sprayer, Jeevamrutam. Sideway we can pluck fruits and vegetables from the sideways. We use a simple mechanism we have used a simple mechanism by using daily available usage material. It is a 4-bar mechanism that employs 2 free wheels on the front, 2 driven wheels on the back. A tool head is positioned on the front. A tool head is positioned on the front. The turnaround to provide the air and nitrogen to the roots of the plant. And weeder that removes weed which grows from time to time. Weeds will suck important nutrients of the plant, hence they need to be removed. The centrally hanging base contains 3 containers, namely biofertilizer sprayer, biopesticide sprayer, Jeevamrutam. An electrical pump pumps one of these liquids as per the requirement of the farmer. On the rear side of the machine, it is employed with a seat where the farmer can sit and control the organic farming machine by using the control panel which contains all the switches. By sitting comfortably, he can pluck fruits and vegetables from the sideways. And by going around the field, he can observe the field without stepping on it, without any tired. Finally, I would like to say that one person can do the work of 4 persons with ease. My innovation is to implement and design easy methods to bring down the cost of agriculture produce and to reduce the farmer suicides, which is very high in Telangana. Future scope of our project is that to water the plants automatically, which is an alternative to the drip irrigation. To apply the biofertilizers as per the program which is stored in the memory of the organic machine, and to apply the pests when pests are noticed. Finally, to do the job of the agriculture without any human intervention by fully automation.